Continuous watching of reels videos can harm mental, physical, and social well-being. It reduces attention span, causes addiction, and increases anxiety due to constant comparisons. Physical issues like eye strain, neck pain, and a sedentary lifestyle are common. Social isolation, reduced productivity, and exposure to negative content can further impact emotional health. To mitigate these effects, set time limits, take breaks, curate content, and engage in offline activities to maintain a balanced, healthy lifestyle. Put your phone on Do Not Disturb mode. Engage in reading novels, creative ideas, or scientific books to improve your cognitive abilities. You can read our science book, Interesting Facts About All Elements of Periodic Table, to unlock the secrets of the building blocks of the world. Still listening? You are addicted to phone? Go and read some good book.